fuel from trash. One sunny morning, Mira the curious Siamese kitten arrived at a strange-looking building.
Is this where trash becomes oil?
Hi there, I'm Officer Rott, ready to explore.
Yes, let's go.
These are plastic bottles, bags, and wrappers.
They can be turned into fuel instead of being thrown away.
So many bins.
Each one for a different plastic. Sorting helps recycling.
The shredder chopped bottles into tiny bits.
It's like a trash-eating robot.
Now, we heat the shredded plastic in this special machine without oxygen.
No oxygen? Why?
Because it melts the plastic safely and turns it into gas, not smoke.
The gas flowed into cool metal pipes, turning into golden oil drop by drop.
It's like magic.
Science magic, Mira. We filter the oil to remove dirt and chemicals.
So it's clean and ready to use?
Exactly.
Officer Rott showed Mira cars, boats, and machines powered by the recycled oil.
All of this from trash?
Yep, it helps power the world while reducing waste. You got it, Mira. Fewer landfills, cleaner air, and happier animals.
That evening, Mira wrote in her notebook.
Today I learned that trash can become treasure. I want to help the earth every day.
As the moon smiled down, Mira curled up by the window. She dreamed of a cleaner world, powered by science and kindness.